Good morning from Tengboche, our home for last 2 nights. Our team has been following a strict vegetarian diet throughout the trek and have been cautious about our food and water. This approach seems to have effectively prevented any stomach issues so far. Now the team is ready to embark the last stretch of the Everest Base Camp trek. The trek started with steady ascent, leaving behind lush valleys. Today is the most challenging part of the trek. We will be gaining significant amount of altitude today. We entered into a rugged high altitude with stunning views. We are walking at an elevation of 4,400 meters. So every step feels heavier in the thin air. We take frequent breaks, enjoying the entertainment and stories shared by our guides. After a few hours, we reached Lukla, an only settlement between Tengboche and Lobuje. It serves as a rest stop for trekkers. I have no appetite. I did drink some tea and enjoyed the beautiful views. We were not allowed to linger too long as we have an infamous Lukla incline to pass. It is a short but most steep climb, taking us 200 meters higher in less than an hour. For many trekkers, this is where altitude sickness begins to hit hard. Horses are the ambulance here. They are ready to evacuate trekkers who can no longer continue on foot. It's not uncommon to see someone being escorted down to a lower altitude where the air is thicker. I started the incline with headache. As we went up, I had dizziness and feeling that I will pass out. I can see my way and is aware of surrounding. All I wanted to do was lay down for a minute. My husband and Jagannath stayed on my side, kept pushing electrolytes and water, and kept talking to me. I was taking a step at a time and pushing myself forward. Everest Memorial Park is a place dedicated to climbers who lost their lives on Everest. It's a humbling reminder of the risk associated with those heights. Each stone honors a climber who paid the price of pursuing their dreams and story of courage of those who dare to challenge the power of the mountains. After the memorial park, the trails flattens out as we make our way to Tengboche. The landscape becomes more barren with glaciers. This is the Pyramid International Laboratory, established in 1990 through a collaboration between Italy's National Research Council and Nepal's government. The Pyramid Laboratory is a high-altitude research facility to study effects of climate change besides its many other resources. Mr. Kazi Bista been the manager for decades and he shares his insights with us.
आजभन्दा 30-35 वर्ष अगाडि हेऱ्यो भने त्यो ढुङ्गा त त्यो उमुनी थियो नि त आइस मुनि थियो त्यो ढुङ्गा थियो बेस क्याम्प अर्कै ठाउँमा थियो नयाँ प्लान्टेसनहरू भनेको चाहिँ आइरहेछ तलको चाहिँ अलिअलि फुलहरू के अलिअलि मास्तिर चाहिँ सर्दै आइरहेछ हैन यो पनि यस्तै हो यो ग्लोबल वार्मिङकै कुराहरू हो अहिले आएर यहाँ भनेको चाहिँ किराहरू देखिन थालिरहेछ झिङ्गाहरू किराहरू पहिला त कहाँ हुन्थ्यो त पहिलातिर प्रशस्त मात्रामा पुराना आइसहरू चाहिँ देख्थ्यौँ भने अहिले आएर ब्ल्याक स्टोन मात्रै देखिन्छ अब जति पनि हाम्रो हिमालय श्रृङ्खला छ यो भनेको हाम्रो पानीको भण्डार हो यहीँबाट हाम्रा खोला नालाहरू चाहिँ बगेर गइरहेछन् तर अब हिमालमा पुरानो आइस चाहिँ सकिँदै गएको छ यदि यो हिउँ यसरी नै सकिँदै जाने हो भने यो खोला भनौँ यो पोखरीहरू त एउटा इतिहासको
Listening to Mr. Kazi Bista highlights the urgent need of action to protect Himalayas and preserve the nature. The Pyramid International Laboratory is more than just a research station. It's a symbol of collaboration, innovation, and our collective responsibility to protect the planet. We have arrived Tengboche at 5,030 meters. This is where we will rest tonight. Our last stop before our push to Everest Base Camp. The sun has set, the cold has taken over. The excitement is high, but so is the challenge of what lies ahead. We gathered around fireplace and reflect on our accomplishments so far. Tomorrow will be closer than ever to our goal, Everest Base Camp. Stay tuned for day 8 as we venture to Everest Base Camp, tackling glaciers and cold, and ultimate reward of this trek. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts.